are in Hamilton Heights today on West 152nd between Broadway and Amsterdam. We're just walking into the apartment. I'm noting these beautifully newly polished hardwood floors. Let's walk into the first bedroom here. You can easily fit a queen. A full would leave you more room for nightstands. Big window, a lot of sunshine. Double wide floor to ceiling walk-in closet with overhead storage. We're going to continue down the entrance hallway. We've got a bathroom here. Freshly painted, recalked. A linen closet right next to the bathroom. Which will take us approaching our beautiful stainless steel kitchen here, but let's take a look at the second bedroom. All three bedrooms are about the same size. Again, they could all fit a queen, but a full size would leave room for nightstands. Big, sunny, oversized windows in each bedroom. Floor to ceiling, double wide closet, again with overhead storage. Stainless steel kitchen, including dishwasher, microwave, granite countertops, and a lot of cherry wood cabinet space. These two bedrooms will be separated by the kitchen and the bathroom from the main living area. Two big oversized windows. Actually nice green views as well. The living area could fit a large sectional sofa, an entertainment center, coffee table, and probably an accent chair as well. The third bedroom, again, about the same size, maybe just a touch larger. And again, another double wide floor to ceiling closet with overhead storage. Let's retrace our steps a little bit. We're on the fourth floor of a very well managed and maintained walkup. We're on West 152nd between Broadway and Amsterdam. This is a beautiful apartment. It's a great space. Come on down. Let's schedule a time to take a look at it. This could be your next home.